Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to hide your completed tasks in your Google Calendar. So let's say you finish your task and then it's still there, and it's just clogging up all your space. All you need to do, for example, let me just go ahead and mark this as completed, right? It says task completed. Now to get rid of this, all you need to do is come to the top right. Click on this gear cog. It's going to access you to the settings menu once you click on settings from the drop down list. Okay. And now what you want to do here, so this is the general section, right? Just take through the general section and scroll down, okay, until you find view options. Okay, you could also click on it from here, view options. And then all you need to do is toggle this one off. It says show completed tasks, toggle this one off. And then, as you can see, settings have been saved. If I come back, that task has disappeared from my calendar. And it's really that easy and simple. Let me go and complete this one as well so you can see. There you go.